And let me tell you something. There's no value. If you're valuing a worth dying for, you know worth living for. And when you not come, you know give me a headshot, please. More and good looking in my casket.
Watching them on the German represent for Lionfoot TV. You're real G. Tell them on the strongest soldiers get the hardest fight. Lionfoot Patriots.
Come to Lionfoot TV at the right place, so don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Yeah man, blessed love and greetings, blessed day for viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself. Good morning, Kings and Queen and Lioness. My fellow Jamaicans out there. We are living in a serious times. Don't let the devil blow your mind. Yeah man, don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe with the bell. Welcome to Lionfoot TV. Just a forward from the gym. I do some jogging, you know what I mean, and then went to the gym. I work on the big belly, you see me? And then I work on the big belly, Don't forget to like and share, subscribe with the bell. Yeah man, why so we keep it doing man the back of fail. Viewers and subscribers. Baiting, we see what I go. Curly locks. Big up myself twins of twins. You know what I say? Curly locks, toe locks, two artists, vocal person, talented brothers, twins. Big up my twin them because I know me have twin. I have twin kids, twin boys, I have twin auntie, twin uncle, twin of the family. I know I say anything we catch dead. Boozy man, big up yourself, Meshak. Yeah man, coming up in this vlog, my viewers and subscribers. Serious. So two locks is making it known that, you know, his brother phone him and making know so your people are calling him, my hit squad. I said send chat and give them orders to take down thumbnail. So maybe can hear what Gwaan. I want to know where freedom of speech. Since we have freedom of speech, freedom of post, freedom to speak your mind. You see me? This dictatorship bullies him. We also have Meshak one part. You see me? A full dance. Big up yourself, Meshak, determined. Khago, where you at? Where you at, Khago? We also the EP is out yesterday, has been released yesterday, so we're gonna play or check it out. You see me? 6 songs. And big up the people who make me know so the EP nice, them like it. It's shot, it's shell. Real Scale 45, big up yourself. Team Flexi Promotions, big up yourself. DJ F3ar, big up yourself. I don't know, your support is all appreciated. So I'm not going to hear what Gwaan saying. So first and foremost, watch Meshak determine one part of one part.
What time is it? One more. Yeah.
Yes, when I say Meshak I go with. You play with Meshak, you know. Boozy my determined Meshak, I work, and I don't do the work. I know Khago is yet to respond. Khago, where you at, Khago? You can't let me down, Khago. You can't let them Khagonians them, Khago. You can't say you're not boss Meshak. Meshak boss long time. You see me? Meshak a shoot off or you shoot up and you did answer, so you have to continue. I ready to fund them, I go say you run. Lionfoot I say that. Big up Khago same way. My viewers and subscribers, yeah man, big up Meshak. Meshak determined. All over ask and I say utmost respect for Meshak determined. We know Meshak from 2008. See me? We're gonna look a quick history. Meshak come to London, come tour. Them time them have a manager from France. Big up Sabrina. Zane man hear me song and say, yo, which artist is? Artists are bad. Never sang them Wicked of Runway. On the Golden Gates rhythm. Big up gang round Sycamore, you know? Iration. Everybody up on the rhythm. You see me I say? Go up on the rhythm, yeah. Future kid. You see me I say? Last striker. Yeah. Boom now, General link up. The man must say, yo, that song is bad. I will produce the rhythm bad. Being determined at the studio, introduce him and determined voice 2 song on the rhythm. Zin Shell, him are the biggest artist now on the rhythm. Yeah, man. Man, so when I forward to Jamaica, I'm link me all a tour rhythm run in London, studio to studio, show to show, you know. And then when I reach at Jamaica now, make him know some up on the ground and him come pick me up, come up here in land, bring him around at the Dan. You see what I say? And everything, and yeah, man. Bring me a Chuck back, introduce me to Chuck back studio. So I bring a good artist come put in your hands. Yeah, man. He Chuck back my EP, the following day Chuck back call me and say, yo, you can find back your at the studio. I reach up there, the man say, I don't know how you sing that song, man. The song you play all out there, man. I say, you want to me, man. But to me there in England, no? And that was 2009. You see me? So big up determined. Can have a respect and show the gratitude and the love. Bring my guy Chuck back and I'm saying, yo, I bring a good artist come put in your hands. See me I say? From there, somebody there Chuck back. Big up Adrian and Steve. You see me? Big up yourself. Yeah, man. Further on now, I got determined yard. You know, E-time yard. Big up Paula, Runkus. Know them from my youth, you know? Yeah, man. You see me I say? So that's the history I forward from. So when you see me around the determined, now watch that. I love and respect. You see me I say? Determined a big hit artist. See? So me, khago have to answer. So I say, yeah, man. That's a look at history. We have more history in about it. I don't know. Because I'm not going to know where it starts from. So I don't know. Yeah. Don't watch how America Enders determined. We have to pay back the gratitude and the love and the respect. But anyway, curly locks, 2 locks have a serious message I'm making the public know and the fans them know. And you have to take this serious. See, you have to take this serious, this matter serious. Because we don't know when we are denied of our freedom of speech. So here we must say.
We just have to get up on Tonani like and see me go do that one, yeah. Jamaica, Purple Nation. You are going now. Alright, so me just get a call from Tulax. It's my brother. We say him get a call from my ex-police who say him was a member of the infamous hit squad where eliminate threat on behalf of the government. You know, threats to them authority or them influence and me must say, boy, you know, me fi take down the thumbnail for my last episode of In the Meantime. For those who don't know, In the Meantime is the audio podcast what me do on YouTube. So, you know, apparently him think I'm my brother. So him I tell him to take it down. So now, you know, my brother said, boy, I might get more call to him from the entertainment fraternity, so he reach out to me and let me know what going on and things. So, you know, me decide. Because, you know, I'm not a video person and attention seeker in any way, shape or form. So I say, that just make that one, yeah. You know, in light of these, you know, I not take them lightly, even though I don't believe them, really. But I not take them lightly because, I mean, just look on him, I do. I speak out, I speak my mind. I'm revolutionary. Over 2.5 decades, I put it in every aspect of my work, from song, from steer it up, interview, go right back. I express myself a certain kind of way when it was in a them time there when if me dead at them time then me would have did dead, so at them time they know me all live out the whole of them time if come in a time like now where everybody can take up them phone but them at top mind when everything soften up, show more information available and people not as dark or stupid as them was one time in a certain way, especially when it comes to politics. In a them time now me I go come dead for what? For talk against what, the Prime Minister? I do only by episode that talk about the Prime Minister, look on the dictator, same, we have a thumbnail with it with Andrew on the same way. And at first. You understand what I'm saying? And if this was really, you'd have really be so sensitive over this. The Prime Minister would have really be so sensitive over this. Then if I saw him sensitive, then F3ar would have dead long time with him teeth kin. You don't think so? Listen man, let me tell you something. My values are my values. No man no coach me in these values when I have for decades. You understand what I say? I see it and I say it as it is. That is what it is. You understand what I say? And this whole, the twin them, because I know the reality them, I talk about it every day. Let me tell you something. You see, if this is true, if this, I don't believe, but if this is true and it is to be reality, If you not go come try make sure someone know me and my brother different. You understand? Me no want nothing happen to my brother. Look there, see that? Look, the one with the red, green and gold all the while, and sometimes purple in my ear, curly locks. The one is smaller in her body. You understand? I make sure tell you that. And when you no come, please. You understand? Just if you know if you don't know a difference, ask. And let me tell you something. There's no value. If you're valuing a word dying for, in a word living for. And when you no come, you don't give me a headshot, please. More and good looking in my casket.
So the man I say, yo, I'm not afraid for dead, you know, basically that's what I say, you know. A long time I do it as a revolutionist. I speak, I'm song them, I'm stir it up, all of them things there. Enough artists, enough topic them touch. So if them never lose them life or get checked them time there, why no? Where social media and the internet is there for everybody to go and do them research and know the truth. So basically that's what I say. Zine. So let me know what you think, my viewers and subscribers. Curly locks, God go with you, you're guided, you're protected under the most and the blood of your ancestors. Zine? Yes man. I hate that, my viewers and subscribers. Now EP has released. We're going to a quick snippet, flashback, and you can go check it out. Zine? 6 songs, them up on YouTube, man. You see me? We don't have to stream them, just go listen to them and let me know what you think. If you don't want to stream them, add them to the playlist. Enough respect. Lion foot, big up on yourself. Gwaan, get ready for work, you know. All your man, they like, let's see. 6 tracks. Number 1, Dear Lord. Second track on the EP, Crying for Peace. The third track, Tired and Fed Up by It. Number 4 track on the EP, Too Money Money. The 5th track, title of the EP, Welcome to Kingston.
Welcome to Kingston, welcome to Jamaica, welcome to Kingston. If I can live in Lamobay, you must take a trip and come check out Kingston. Let's go! Kingston was the hottest event. Up on Monday, Tuesday, boom, boom, I represent. Can't I yet deny?
And the last but not least, It's All My Fault. Now I'm classified as a lonely soldier. That's it. 6 tracks. Welcome to Kingston. Thank you all for your continuous support. You know, without you, the fans, I'm America's nothing. God bless us all.